In 1929, American monkeys were living the dream. Bananas at all-time highs, monkey millionaires everywhere, new monkey technologies coming out every week. The monkey president confidently told the nation, "We are closer than ever to defeating poverty." And then, literally the next day, the banana market yeets itself straight into the ground. How did everything go so spectacularly wrong? To understand that, we must go back. 1918, the beginning of the monkey boom. World War monkey. IN's, wait, why's there a I? Does that mean there's a tie-I? But anyway, monkeys are happy. The U.S. returns home strong. 4 million monkey soldiers come back, but many jobs are gone. Still, unemployment stays low and banana prices are stable. 1919, monkey demand goes bananas. The economy shifts from war production to regular monkey products. Demand skyrockets, way higher than supply. Prices rise 20% in a year. Food, fuel, housing, everything costs more. Leaves, wages, they stay the same. 4 million monkeys, 20% of the workforce, go on strike, yet the banana market keeps rising. Surely everything gets better after war, right? 1920. The monkey Fed screws up, unemployment jumps to 6.9%. The Federal Monkey Reserve raises rates, big mistake, making loans expensive. Factories can't borrow, prices fall 40%. So do wages. Unemployment hits nearly 12%. No welfare, no unemployment insurance. Monkeys extremely sad. Banana market drops. 1921 to 1923, the roaring monkey. 20s begin. Monkey government goes, well, raising rates was bad, so let's make them super low. Cheap credit floods the jungle, factories reopen. Monkeys buy shiny new appliances, refrigerators, radios, vacuums, everything. Then comes the Model T, beloved by monkeys everywhere. Henry Ford invents the moving assembly line. Cars go from 12 hours to 90 minutes to build. Millions sold. Economy rockets. Banana market rises. 1924 to 1926. Monkey credit madness. Wages rise slowly. Banks hand out loans like bananas at a toddler's birthday party. Buy now, pay later. Even if later equals never. 100-leaf banana portfolio for a 10-leaf down payment. Working-class monkeys become investors overnight. By 1925, 75% of household goods are bought on credit. Florida real estate becomes a monkey fever dream. Property values never go down. Spoiler, they do. 1926. Hurricane destroys everything. Everyone loses money. But instead of learning anything, monkeys go, well, time to throw the rest of our money into bananas. Companies hide slowing profits by borrowing more to buy their own stocks. Total monkey debt hits 120 billion, leaves 2 trillion today. Banana market, UP, 1927 to 1928. The new era. Illusion. Interest rates drop again. Foreign investors dump money into U.S. bananas. Teachers, barbers, janitors, everyone has a banana portfolio. Newspapers, a new era of prosperity. Bananas rise 30% in 1927 and 40% in 1928. President, we are nearer than ever to the final triumph over poverty. Sure, buddy. 1929, peak delusion. Bananas rise 55% in a year. Everyone is rich. On paper, unemployment is 3.2%. Life is sweet. Then, Black Thursday, October 24th. Panic selling, 13 million bananas dumped. Index drops 11%. Black Monday, October 28th. Another 13%. Black Tuesday, October 29th. 16 million bananas sold. 14 billion leaves wiped out. Market falls another 11%. By the end of the week, the market is down 40%. Bananas become worthless, companies fail, borrowers drown in debt, banks collapse. 1930 to 1933, the Great Banana Depression. 1930, 1,300 banks fail. 1931, 2,200 more. 1932, 4,000 more global trade collapses. Monkey unemployment hits 24.9% in 1933. 1 in 4 monkeys jobless, farms lost, homes gone, bananas gone, shantytowns rise. The monkey president does basically nothing and gets voted out. It is the worst economic disaster in U.S. monkey history, and after all that chaos, we walked away saying, well, at least nothing like that will ever happen again.